On Ahmad's 6th birthday, his father had deposited 8,500 in a saving account that pays 6% compounded monthly. Ahmad's father plans to give him the accumulated amount as a gift on his 21st birthday. First question, okay? How much will Ahmad receive on his 21st birthday? Okay, let's draw some timeline. On Ahmad's 6th birthday. So, Ahmad's 6th birthday. So, let's put 6 here. Okay. So, 6th birthday tu maknanya 0 lah. Starting with 0 timeline. Okay. Deposited 8,500. So, P is 8,500. Okay. Pay 6% compounded monthly maksud dia apa tu? Okay. Maknanya pada tahun kedua ataupun bila dia dah 7th year, okay, J dia berapa? 0.06 compounded monthly. M dia berapa? M dia berapa? 12. Okay, M dia 12. Okay. Apa lagi? Ahmad fathers plans to give him the accumulated amount. Nanti dapat satu jumlah. Dia nak bagi ni bila? As a gift on his 21st birthday. Okay. 21st birthday maknanya dah tahun ke berapa tu? Dah tahun ke berapa? Tahun ke berapa? 15. Okay. Tahun ke-15. Okay. Alright, so nak cari apa ni? Bila dia nak dapat ni? Nanti on his 21st birthday. Tahun ke-15 baru dapat. Maknanya kena cari S, future value. Okay? Future value S kat situ. Alright. So, using the formula S equals to P1 plus I power N. Use this formula. S nak cari. P is 8,500. 1 plus I is J over 12. M. Okay. N. N dia berapa? T dia 15. Kalau T dia 15. N dia berapa? 15 darab dengan 12. 180. Okey. 8,500 darab dengan 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 power with 180. Berapa tu? RM 20,859. 79 or 80 cent? 80 cent. Okay. Hati-hati. 795. Okay. So, 80 sen. Question B. How old is Ahmad when accumulated amount is 29,872 and 15 cents. How old is Ahmad? Maknanya dia nak suruh cari apa? Dia suruh cari T tapi bukan T saja. Dia nak cari umur Ahmad. Okay. Kalau jumlah S dia, nanti dapat T, umur dia berapa? What is the age of Ahmad? If the S become 29872.15. Okay. So the same formula. 29872.15 masuk dalam formula yang sama. 8,500. 1 plus 0.06 divide by 12. Power with what? Power dengan apa? N dia adalah T. T tak tahu. M dia berapa tadi? 12. So, 12T. Okay, 12T. Sebab kita nak cari T. Nak buat kemudian tak apa 12T ni. Okay, so saya buat siap-siap 12T kat situ. Alright. So, divide first. Okay. 29872. No. 29872.15 divide with 8,500. Wow. Boleh tulis fractions tak? Same. No. What are we going to do? Nak avoid too many rounding. Okay. 1.005 power with 12t. I think tak payah letak ni pun tak apa. Terus je lah 12t macam tu. Okay. 29,872.15 divide with 8,500. Okay. Nak cari macam mana 12t tu? Macam mana nak cari 12t? Log. Okay. 12t sama dengan, tu dia, log dia 1.005. Careful. 29,872.15 8,500. Okay. Satgi T nanti bahagi dengan 12. 1.005 29872.15 divide with 8,500. Lepas tu kena bahagi dengan 12. Berapa tu? What does it mean by 20.9999 unstop? Okay. Berapa tu? 20, 21. Tempoh dia 21. Umur dia berapa? Umur dia berapa? Again? 21. 21. T yang 21 kan? T kat sini ni 21 dah sekarang. Umur dia berapa? Ni, beza dia berapa tu? 21 dengan 15. 6. So, umur dia nanti akan jadi 27. Okey. So, siapa nama dia ni? Ahmad. Ahmad Aminuddin ke? Oh, bukan. Nak sikit duit? Oh, tak bagi. Ahmad age Ahmad is, okay. Ahmad is 27 years old. Panjang pula ayat dia. Jangan buat 21 tambah 6 kat sini. Tak boleh. Jangan buat macam tu. Tak boleh. Tiba tambah 6. Tak boleh. 21 tu merujuk pada apa? T years. Daripada now until 21 year baru dapat banyak ni. Tapi kalau umur, jangan pergi tambah siap-siap kat situ. Okey? Cerita di perenggan baru. Perenggan? Macam nak buat esei je. Okey, baru soalan B. Soalan apa lagi? C. Yang ni senang. Kalau soalan tanya effective rate je, free marks. Okey? Effective rate. Effective rate nak buat apa? Cari R. E. 1 plus I power M minus 1. Okey? 1 plus I. What is I just now? 0.06 divided by 12. 0.06. Wait, is it? Yes. Okay. 12. Power 12 minus 1. Okay. 1 plus with 0.06 divided by 12. Power with 12. Don't forget to minus with 1. Okay. Saya ambil dulu 4 titik perpuluhan. 0.06117. This is 4 decimal places. Okay. So 0.0617 nanti times with 100 dapat 6.17%. 2 decimal places. Cannot be more than that, cannot be less than that. Okay. That is effective rates.